garlic Parmesan salmon bites. Let me say that one more time in case you didn't hear me. Garlic Parmesan salmon bites. This right here is life changing. So delicious, absolutely amazing, yet so easy and simple to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So of course you want to begin with a skinless salmon fillet, and what I'm doing is just slicing off some of the excess. I want some nice uniform bites, you know what I mean? So I'm just cutting off the thin parts, so I'm left with kind of like a uniform rectangle, as you're gonna see on the screen shortly here. And once I have that, I'm gonna slice it again into smaller cube shapes, and these are gonna be our salmon bites in which we are gonna cook. The pieces that we cut off, you're gonna cook that later, of course. You could just make some regular old salmon with that, but we want some uniform pieces for our salmon bites, like I said. And let me know down in the comments below, have you tried any of my other salmon bites recipes? We have honey butter garlic glazed salmon bites, which is amazing. You guys are loving that video. Let me know if you've seen that one. I also have some fried lemon pepper salmon bites. Oh my God, crispy salmon nuggets. And I also have creamy Cajun butter salmon bites, some awesome salmon recipes. I'll probably leave that at the end of the video for you guys to watch, but yeah, I have a bunch of them. Let me know if you've seen any of the other ones. So after slicing my salmon into cubes, I went ahead and sliced them a little bit more. I didn't want them too big, I didn't want them too small, so yeah, cut them a little bit more. Now I'm drizzling a little bit of oil on my salmon, and I'm just massaging it right on in. And you know we gotta season up our salmon to perfection. So on the screen and as well as the description box, all the ingredients will be listed for you to do so. So go ahead and season this salmon like your life depends on it. Go ahead and do that, rub that all in. Don't be stingy, be generous. So I have my pan here to about a medium, I would say below medium high, somewhere in between medium and medium high. Okay, I'm drizzling a little bit of oil into the pan, and I'm gonna drop my salmon bites right on in. And you are gonna let these cook for about 3 minutes or so per side. We're not only gonna cook 2 sides, we're gonna get every single side of these salmon bites. Not only the, the 2 large sides, you're gonna turn it on to the side, you know what I mean? You're gonna sear every last little edge of this salmon, just like so. And once you're done, you're gonna set it off to the side as we work on getting that yummy garlic Parmesan butter going. Man, I'm telling you, your salmon should be looking just like this, by the way, when you're done. And if it ain't, send that thing back, okay? Because that was looking so delicious right there. So yeah, go ahead and set your salmon right onto the side as we work on getting that butter sauce going. You're gonna melt about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You're gonna also toss in your minced garlic, your grated Parmesan cheese, some freshly chopped curly parsley. You're gonna get all that going in your pan just like so. My heat is to about a medium. Go ahead and mix everything together, get all the flavors communicating with one another. So now that our butter sauce is done, we're gonna reintroduce our salmon bites into the pan, and we're gonna baste it with a spoon. We're gonna get that yummy butter sauce all over our salmon bites. The difference with salmon and something like chicken wings, Chicken wings, you'll be able to put it in a mixing bowl and just toss it in the sauce. But with salmon, you know, salmon is way more delicate. If you toss this salmon around like that, it will just totally break apart. So we're just basting it in this yummy sauce. You're gonna drop a little bit of more Parmesan cheese right on top, garnish with a little bit more parsley, and you are ready to bust down. This is special, this is delicious, this is amazing, and I can't wait for you to try it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave your boy a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.